Hello guys, this is Dr. Ivan Budal, your internist and your endocrinologist. And guys, dito po tayo ngayon sa isang convention with regards to other endocrinologists. Basically, pedia endo po sila or mga adult endo. Ito, nagsama-sama po kami sa isang conference or convention. So nandito po ako ngayon dahil I will share with you guys some insights that I have learned with regards to one topic. So ang topic na na-attenda natin is fasting in metabolic endocrine disease. Basically guys, what this lecture is about, fasting in obesity. Obesity is one of our diseases na nakikita namin na tinitreat namin sa clinical practice. 5 insights that I have learned with regards to this lecture regarding to fasting and obesity. So number 1 is fasting is not the same as ketogenic diet. So guys, alam naman natin yan, no? Iba yung fasting with regards to time restricted diet. And iba naman yung ketogenic diet. Ang ketogenic diet kasi with regards to that, very low carbohydrate sila or very low calorie yung nangyayari sa kanila. Indirectly, with you are fasting, you will have also ketogenesis with regards to that. But syempre, in reality, iba yung mechanisms na hinihit po nila. And number 2, fasting is a restriction or abstinence from food. Ibig sabihin dun sa mga studies po na ginawa daw before, ang fasting na sinasuggest po nila is 2 days of fasting with 5 days of eating or alternate day. Now, ikaw ba ay hindi kakain pag nanggaganto? Usually, hindi naman daw po. When you are fasting, you are allowed to eat but for a very low calorie intake, like sabihin natin 400 to 600 calories lang daw ang sinasuggest nila. So basically, pag sinabing nasa fasting law po kayo, ibig sabihin hindi naman na incompletely or completely hindi kakain, but you will still eat but a very low calorie lang compared to the other things. Number 3, learning is fasting is not superior to calorie restrictions. Ibig sabihin po, yung mga taong mas gusto nilang technique, yung onti lang pinakain nila, versus dun sa mga taong mas gusto nilang technique, yung nagpa-fast po sila, either way, pwede naman daw po. Ibig sabihin. So, ang advantage lang ng fasting is yung number 4 point is mas mataas daw yung adherence nila. Yung about 60% of the time, mas nagstay yung tao na nagpa-fasting compared sa isang tao na nagka-calorie restrictions. Ito yung isa sa mga kailangan natin i-incorporate sa ating mga pasyente kasi kailangan na mimic nila yung time na kumakain to sila. And that leads us to number 5 important insights with regards to fasting and obesity is yung disadvantage naman po ng fasting. Loss of lean body mass. Kasi nakita natin across the board, be it fasting, time restriction, calorie restriction, or dietary restrictions, you will lose your lean body mass. The most important thing now to reverse or to hinder that loss of your lean body mass is yung protein restrictions po natin. So, paano yung protein restrictions? So, usually sinasuggest nila 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Nung kinumpute natin yan, so at least mga 1.2 to 1.5 gram per kilogram po ng inyong body weight. Tama ba yung pagka-compute ko? Ilalagay ko lang sa baba if tama yung pagka-computation natin. But in reality nga po, 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal to hinder or to lessen the chance of you having loss of your lean body mass. So yun lang. To recap, ano yung 5 things na natutunan natin with regards to fasting and obesity? Fasting is not a ketogenic diet. Fasting does not necessarily mean na hindi ka kakain but pwede naman po yung konti lang. Number 3, again, fasting is not superior to calorie restrictions. Ibig sabihin kahit anong technique ang pwede niyong gawin. Fasting has an advantage of higher chance of adherence. Mas effective daw or mag-stay yung pasyente natin kapag nagpa-fasting sila. And of course, number 5, watch out for your loss of lean body mass. O sana guys, may tutunan kayo regarding that topic or lecture na inattendan ko. So see you again on the next sharing. So thank you guys. Bye-bye.